welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see the detailed review of Patanjali Face Pack. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then do become part of our YouTube family by clicking subscribe button. Here you will able to see review of products. Now without wasting any time, let's start. This face pack comes in a plastic tube form. Here on packaging you will able to see the picture of neem, aloe vera and cucumber. It's a product of Patanjali Ayurveda. It cleared clogged pores, cool, soothes and softens your skin. Now let's talk about the rare side of the packaging. Here they have given a little bit information about the product. A unique blend of pure herbs for clear glowing skin. Neem, full of antibacterial properties, regulates excess oil secretion, clear clogged pores, skin impurities, impact glow to your face. Cucumber, a natural toner with hydrating and cooling properties. Fuller earth removes deep impurities, cools and softens the skin. Aloe vera possesses skin softening, healing and maintaining natural moisture balance. They say that it's an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. I'll mention the base material list in the description box below. Uses: it prevents pimples and improves face glow. The cost of this product is Rs 60 and it's best before 18 months from the date of manufacturing. They have even mentioned that this product is for all skin type. But according to me, if you have dry skin, then it won't be suitable to your skin. But if you have oily skin, then it will work for your skin. This product is manufactured by Patanjali Ayurveda Limited at Kuanwala, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. If you have any queries about the product, then you can call on their toll-free number. If you want to give them feedback, then also you can give it to them by writing them on their email ID. Now I'm going to open this product for you. Let's see how it looks from inside. This is how the product looks from inside. If you feel burning sensation for your skin, then immediately wash your face. Burning sensation means this product is not suitable to your skin. If you have oily skin, then definitely it is going to work for you. What happens when you use this product? It is going to cleanse your skin pores from deep inside. If you have dry skin, then don't go for this product as it is going to make your skin more dry. The opinion shared in this video is my personal one and it might vary in your case. That's all for today. Thank you.